Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'll be showing you this platform that I got to know about and how I've been able to be making money online with this easy to go about newly launched platform. So this is New Power. So it is an investment platform that gives you access to make money online. So let's quickly check on their about section. So when I click on about, you will see that they have integrated what their mission is all about, and this integration is all about global innovative smart energy service. So that is precisely what they are all about. And Neo Power is a power up solution based on mobile internet. It has an extensive network of charging switching facilities. So this is basically what they do, and rely on new cloud technology, build a rechargeable, replaceable, upgradeable energy service system to provide car owners with full scenario. So when you sign up, you get to read about their mission and what they basically do and how you can be able to maximize this platform. So right here I'll be showing you what you need to do to make money online using this platform. So how do you get to make money online with this platform? So right here on my screen you see that currently I have 1.8373 USDT by the top right corner, and by the left I have 102 RS. So this is basically their this is basically their default earning bonuses. So this is the coin at which you'll be earning, and also I'll be showing you how you can be able to convert it to USDT in case you want to make your withdrawal. So right here you will see on my task session. So let me just quickly go to task session. So down here I have task session, and under this task session you will see different things that you literally get to see here. So when I go to project, check out project session, you see that currently I have this project ongoing. So I purchased one project with just $5. So but why it's $5? So when you go to homepage, you will see that there are list of available projects here, so you can actually list equipment and make money. So these are the prices for each equipment and how you can be able to earn per hour. So this is the hour salaries in RS. So their project payment is measured in RS, but they have two alternatives. Either you, depending on the country of your connection, but globally you can use USDT for a charge and also for medium of withdrawal on this platform. So and right here now you will see that if you want to list this equipment, what you need to do is to click on this RS. So if you want to purchase this equipment, you click on this RS, then it will take you to the next step where you will need to actually purchase this equipment. But I'm going to give you the rundown on how you can be able to use this platform effectively and make money online. So as a new user, what you'll be doing is to come to this section. So you will come to this, under this home section you will see that we have so under this home section you will see that we have various information that has been provided here. So how do you get to go about this? So first of all, you need to be clicking here every day. So go it. So when you sign in every day, you receive your daily earnings, and that is for free users. But for you to be able to earn higher and withdraw faster, so you will literally need to go for any of these projects here. So you need to purchase any of these projects for yourself. So now how do you get to purchase this product? First of all, you go to user section. So you need to recharge your account here by clicking on recharge. So when I click on recharge, you will see that there are different options here. So but basically what I'll be doing is to switch this option to USDT so that I can be able to transfer using USDT. So what do you need to do next? You come to this section, just click on this and copy this address. Then you now go to Binance or any crypto exchange platform you are using, and then make a deposit according to your plan of investment into this platform. So you purchase a project that will be earning you per hour, and you can be able to withdraw anytime. So you have, before you proceed with the deposit, you need to read these specifications. So what do you need to do here? First of all, you need to understand that the minimum deposit into this platform is 5 USDT. Otherwise, it will not be credited. So what do you need to do? Just copy this address, go to Trust Wallet or Binance. Immediately you make deposit, just come back to this place and click on the amount, put the amount you deposited, copy the transaction ID, paste it here, then take the screenshot and upload successfully, then click on continue. So that is simply how you can be able to invest or recharge into this platform. Now, how do you get to purchase product or their project on this platform when you already have your balance reflecting here? So immediately it is verified, which will not take long. And if you're having issue, you can actually contact the customer service on WhatsApp or Telegram here, so that you can be able to be guided successfully. So now the next thing you're going to do immediately you've deposited is to come to your home page. First of all, you need to understand the package that you want to go for. So if you're going for this particular package that will worth $3.8, so the minimum amount you need to deposit is 5 USDT. So if you deposit 5 USDT, then you will use 3.8, the rest will remain in your balance. So you come to this place and click on this RS 1000. So this 3.8 is equivalent to RS 1000. Now this second one is $11, and per hour you'll be earning 10.4 RS. Now the equivalent amount in RS is 3000. So that is basically how these packages are being run. Now you can scroll down and see this particular one, $19 package, which is equivalent to RS 5000, and hourly you'll be earning 17.36 RS also. So you can scroll down and check out for other product or project you can actually go for according to your financial budget. Now if you have deposited money, what do you need to do? You need to come to this place and click on this RS. So once you deposited minimum of $5, if you want to go for the least package, just tap here. Now you see that a page like this will pop up. So what you need to do, you understand that this is equivalent to this. So that is basically how it is, and it is giving you the rundown analysis of what you'll be getting in an hour, and also daily you'll be gaining plus 83.28 RS plus daily signing, so which is for free, and this package will expire in the next 90 days. So that is basically how you get to maximize this platform. So you are going to pay $3.8. So if you have up to 5 USDT in your balance, just tap on this 3.8, then successfully to write purchased successfully. Now you automatically activate the project to be working for you, so that when you go to project you can be able to see it right here, just as my own is right here now. So I just deposited 3.8, and hourly I'll be earning this, and you can see that I've totally earned this revenue in 2 days. So I've converted most of this, so I'll be showing you how you can be able to convert it. So when you click on income record, you will see that I'll be earning per hours. Hourly I'll be earning. So these are the tons of, I just registered yesterday and got these earnings per hour. Now how do you get to use the conversion aspect to exchange RS to USDT? First of all, you need to come to user session, and you see I've currently earned 102.40 RS. So I'll be converting the whole of this to USDT, so that once I reach minimum withdrawal, I can be able to cash out of this platform. So when I click on currency exchange rather, So I will be guide directed to this place. Then I'll put the RS I have here. So look at this, guys. I'm converting RS to USDT. So converting RS to USDT, this is the amount I have here. So what I need to do is to put the amount, just put the amount 102.40. Then you click on continue. So it's equivalent to $0.4. Now when I go back to my USDT, I refresh this page, you will no longer see this particular balance here. So as you can see, this current balance is 00, and this one has topped up to 2.2367 USDT. Now coming to withdrawal section, how do you get to withdraw? Just tap on this withdraw, and you will switch to USDT instead of RS, because RS is not our currency of use in this part of the region where I'm making this video from. So in case if you are using RS in your country, so what you need to do is to select the bank and put the amount of RS you want to withdraw. That is how simple it is. So now you switch to USDT. Now copy your wallet address. So just copy your wallet ID. So if you have for instance your Trust wallet, you can copy your TRC20 wallet address. So just paste it here, TRC20, paste it here, then you put a transaction pin. You see that the amount withdrawable is 2.2367, but the minimum amount you can withdraw is 5 USDT. The same thing goes with the minimum amount you can deposit. So now it's very simple, and withdrawal is always from Monday to Sunday, 10 to 17 p.m. So that is basically how it goes. Now in order to verify the authenticity, you need to deposit money into this platform. So that is how it is. That is why I said you need to purchase one of their any miners or their projects in order to allow you to withdraw. And don't forget to be signing in every day to keep earning extra RS on this platform. So which you can literally do when you come to the home page. You will see this button, go eat. So this is where you click every morning. Then you have already purchased this, that is earning you hourly. So that is how it is, and this platform is very affordable, so anybody can go into this platform and start making money online, guys. So in the next video I'll be showing you how you can be able to cash out every single day according to the plan of your budget. So that is basically how this platform works and how you can be able to make money online using it. So if you have found this video useful, and always ensure that you make your financial budget. I am not your financial advisor, guys, but I show you basically how I make most of my online money. So I earn online investing in various platforms that I've actually tested, and it works for me. So that is basically what I do, and I will always show you the guideline through which you can be able to make the same money, and your earning will always be equivalent to your budget, guys. So if don't forget to give this video a like if you have gotten value from it, and subscribe to my channel, guys, to support this channel for more important updates like this. So thank you, guys. See you in my next video.